Hello students, we have already discussed in our previous video about what is respiration, types of respiration, what is breathing, mechanism of breathing. Now in this particular video we are going to discuss about what do we breathe out. Now as you all know that we breathe in air, and air is a mixture of many gases. Air contains around 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% traces of other gases like helium, argon, etc. and water vapor also, and very little amount of carbon dioxide. Now, when we inhale it, our body actually uses, or you can say the blood transport or take that oxygen and start transporting it to the other cells of the body with the help of hemoglobin. So basically oxygen get combines with hemoglobin and start transporting to the other cells of the body, and in return they take out carbon dioxide. Now when we exhale out, we give out more amount of carbon dioxide. Basically the composition of the air remains the same, but only the percentage or the amount of gases will be different of oxygen and carbon dioxide. As you can see this particular chart, inhaled air oxygen contains 21% oxygen and only 0.04% carbon dioxide, while exhaled air contains only 6.4% oxygen while 4.4% carbon dioxide. That means that in exhaled air, the amount of oxygen is comparatively lesser than the inhaled air, and the amount of carbon dioxide is comparatively more than the inhaled air. So this is the basic difference. Rest, water vapor and other gases composition remains the same. So to make it confirm that we release carbon dioxide more while exhaling, we have performed an experiment. In this particular experiment, as you can see the picture, we have taken lime water. Lime water is chemically calcium hydroxide. Is taken in a test tube, and this child is exhaling air from its mouth through this test tube. And what happens? After some time, you observe that lime water turns milky. That means it turns white in color. And we all know very well that lime water turns milky only due to the presence of carbon dioxide. So this experiment actually confirms the presence of carbon dioxide in our exhaled air. So this confirms that when we exhale, we release carbon dioxide more in comparison to oxygen. Okay, so this is the important experiment. Now one more thing which I would like to inform or tells you, that how much a person can hold air in the lungs. So basically an adult person, I can say, can hold 4 to 6 liters of air in their lungs. So that is it's a very good amount. Okay, and normally when we breathe without any force, whenever we breathe or we inhale or exhale, I can say, that time around zero point 0.5 liters of air we inhale or exhale without any force at normal breathing. Then how does breathing takes place in other animals? We will discuss it in our next video.